Just me, chilling and eating snacks in the dark. What could go wrong? When suddenly, my cat enters. The mission begins. She plants herself and just stares. No blinking, no remorse. I made the mistake of ignoring her. Next thing I know, boom, chips everywhere, and then the heist. She grabs one chip and books it like she's been planning this for weeks. I chase after her, and she face plants into the wall, still holding the chip like a champ. Then she just drops it, doesn't even eat it. Just chaos. And then she judges me for cleaning up. If your cat is also a criminal mastermind, comment guilty and hit follow for more.